The connection was strong even in remote areas. I posted photos, used Google Maps, and made calls without any problem. iPhone. Galaxy's 25 eSIM. The connection seems to be poor, but it worked. I and number 39, I'll use it again. The voucher arrived quickly and was very convenient. The loading process was quick. Thank you for this, it's help a lot. Full coverage. It works well in different countries in Southeast Asia, but there is no signal in some places in Cambodia. I was able to use it comfortably while I was there. It was very helpful as the hotel and number 39's Wi-Fi was difficult to connect to. I and number 39, they always used international roaming on business trips, whether in Europe, the Middle East, or Asia, and the prices always started at $699, sometimes even over $1,000. This time, I used eSIM for the first time, and it was incredibly seamless. The internet was sometimes even smoother than at a local hotel. Highly recommended. I used it in Vietnam and Cambodia. It was easy to install and worked perfectly. It and number 39's more convenient than renting a Wi-Fi connection. Seven. I had no problems with speed and it was cheap. I was planning to go to Vietnam and Laos, so it and number 39's great that I can use it across other countries. Fast and efficient, with the most options, uninterrupted speed, and easy to use. It and number 39's great, much better than expected, and the signal is stable. I and number 39 am very satisfied. SIM.